Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps engineering channel with DevOps engineer Louis. In today's video, we're going to be explaining the different types of extensions. Name convention deploy.sh, and the file type that it is shell script. It's a shell script file. And how we know that is .sh. .sh means shell script file. Now test.txt stands for text file .txt. app.sc is shell scripting file. It's another shell scripting file. App.java is Java code. Monitor.py is Python code. App.yml is playbook or manifest file. Main.tf is Terraform script. App.groovy is Groovy script. Thank you for watching today's video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Louis.